Calling all hair, this is really big news. Oh my gosh, we have a new friend to introduce to you, our complete conditioning mist. This is our gorgeous weightless detangler that will deliver moisture without weighing the hair down. This is gonna give you instant enhanced shine, protection, antioxidant realness to protect all types of hair in just gorgeous ways. There are key ingredients in this that become a moisture multiplier. Now, hemisqualane is in there as it always is. She is our reliable, resourceful friend that never gives up on us. But then there's hyaluronic acid. You heard me right. This is a skincare level ingredient, but what it does is it increases the moisture in hair. You can use it straight out of the shower, and you can also revive day 2, day 3, day 4, day whatever hair with our gorgeous complete conditioning mist. Then we also have brassica seed. Brassica seed is bringing all of the gorgeous emollient detangling players to the party. So this is going to detangle the hair and instantly infuse it with moisture. Obsessed with that story. Then we also have tremella mushroom extract. Tremella mushroom extract holds 500 times its weight in water. So this is really bringing the moisture to the party. Well, guess what? This is non-comedogenic, which means it's not gonna clog up your pores. We love that so much. And we love you, Complete Conditioning Mist. You go continue to change the world because you're what? Gorgeous and complete.